Okay guys, today we welcome you once again to the channel. We are bringing you this exclusive video from one of the biggest tourist sites in Ghana, in Nzulezu, the village built with stilts in the western region of Ghana. Today, we are going to take you through the history behind this village and some amazing stuff you need to know before you visit this place. Nzulezu is a village located near the village of Beyin, 90 kilometers west of Takoradi in the Jomoro District. The village overlooks Lake Tadane. Before you get to this village from Takoradi, as you head west, you will reach a town called Alabagazo. As you head westward of this town and pass through towns at Zanzule, Eki, Anochi, Etubu, Ekebaku, and Beyin, which shares border with Nzulezu village. At Beyin, you need to visit the Nzulezu Stilts Village Tourism Project Office, which is located here. The visitors need to pay some toll rate, which is made for Ghanaians and foreigners, as you can see from the picture. The payment includes a speedboat cruise, provision of life jackets, and a tour guide.
Please click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing channel and wait to click on the notification bell. Select all to be part of this wonderful family. Thank you. Please click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing channel and wait to click on the notification bell. Select all to be part of this wonderful family. Thank you.
During the rainy season, tourists park the boats just after the footbridge at Beyin. But when it is in the dry season, you either pick a motorcycle or walk about 4 kilometers to the place where the boys are parked. It's an amazing journey to cruise from that point to the village.
Please click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing channel and wait to click on the notification bell. Select all to be part of this wonderful family. Thank you.
For now, the beautiful is here, the jungle area,
River Amans.
That's the local name. You say community river.
Community River.
Then it looks like a black water, but it's not black. It's because of the texture of the soil. But it's on the top one.
You pass through the river Manzu, meaning community river, which looks blackish in color, but colorless when it is fetched, and it is drinkable too.
So the people of Nzulezu migrated from Mali on a land called Timbuktu. And at that time their land was blessed with gold and other resources which make our forefathers rich and also famous. So there was a time the Senegalese called the Mendes, they came to do business with our forefathers in Mali. Looking at the idea that they came with, it wasn't good enough to convince our forefathers. So our forefathers turned down their offer and they left. But on their return, due to jealousy, the Senegalese people called the Mendes, they waged war against our forefathers. And during the war, they were killing our forefathers because our forefathers were not strong enough to fight against the Senegalese. 14th to 15th century at that time, they do believe a lot in the spiritual gods. So anything at all that they would do, our forefathers, they have to first consult the oracle. So through our forefathers, they consulted the oracle, and after consulting the oracle told our forefathers to vacate from the land since the Senegalese were killing them. Our forefathers, they have no choice rather to accept the offer, which they accepted. They set up their journey on the midnight and they passed through Burkina Faso. But after Burkina Faso, our forefathers, they came to Ghana. When they came to Ghana, their first place was Wenchi in the Brong-Ahafo region. They stayed there for quite a long time and later on set up their journey to Techiman. But from Techiman, they went to Makasim in central region before moving to Esipon in the western region, secondly Takoradi. When our forefathers got to that area, they took their lead around the coast and they got to a place in the Zima area called Bakanga. So that was when our forefathers made a lot of rafts. They did this once before they realized they are already on this Amanzule River. And when they came to this area, they were living at the end of the river. By that time, they were experiencing a lot of fire outbreaks. So our forefathers, they decided to move away from that area to this place. So in a brief way, that was how our forefathers, they migrated from Mali to Nzulezu here. But for now, we are all Ghanaians. We vote, we do everything. And also the name of the king among them at that period was King Tekrika, which is Nana Tekrika. And also the spokesperson was Mogan. And also the language that they brought was Ewiti, the language before the Zima people came. So now we speak in Zima. We no longer speak Ewiti, the language, because of the Zima women, our forefathers got married to them. So that was all about Nzulezu community, the necessary information how they migrated from Mali to Nzulezu here. Thank you.
In the village is a Pentecost and Catholic church, a basic school, a Rakuya cafe, where they sell an amazing fruit juice and a drinking bar. There is also a traditional birth attendant who assists the woman in delivery, whilst in an extreme cases, they are referred to the nearby towns. There also have a cemetery where they bury the dead on a nearby land.
Please click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing channel and wait to click on the notification bell. Select all to be part of this wonderful family. Thank you.